All right, so today we are going to take a look at some South Park Stick of Truth Kidrobot action figures. So as you can see, I have a full set. I got Cartman and Kenny at Toys R Us. They didn't have a whole lot of them there. And then I got Stan, Kyle, and Butters at Hastings. They were about, I think they were $10 each, and online, I have seen the whole set for sale for $50. So I have not opened these boxes at all yet, so we're all going to open them together, and I know they come with like a, if you can see on the back here, that'll focus, yeah, you can see they all come with little weapons from the video game and the TV show, of course, so we will see what they look like. Alright, so let's do Cartman first. Ooh. There we go. Looks like on these, the top is the way to go for opening. Alright, so there is Cartman with his wizard hat. And this figure, I really like these figures because they're really good, weight. They feel quality, which is something I really like. And, oh, there's his weapon right there, kind of taped in there. Of course, Cartman is going to have the Stick of Truth. So there it is. And on these figures, their arms, I think their arms are supposed to move. Cartman, of course, probably can't move his as much as the others, but there we go. All right. All right, so let's open Kenny now. Princess Kenny, of course. Okay. All right, so it looks like it's the same setup for Kenny with his bow being back here. I'll go ahead and grab that. Kenny himself, or herself, I don't know what I should say. What I really like on this one too are the actual little strings there. You can see. There it goes. Okay. So that is a pretty cool little figure there. Something, oh yeah, there we go with the arms. Something you can put on your shelf, or something that you can do like what I do and make up your own sort of miniatures RPG adventure. My favorite character to be is always either Butters or Cartman. And so there's Princess Kenny. Alright, so we will open Butters next. This top is not coming off as nicely as the others, but I actually don't save the boxes, so I think that's okay. So I don't know how many of you have actually played the Stick of Truth video game, but it is awesome. I really enjoyed the game and how they incorporated just like everything South Park into the game. Okay, so he was a little difficult to get out, but there is Butters the Paladin, and their heads also move, as you can see, like that. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I actually just got a new webcam, and this is my first time using it, but I am pretty happy with it. And get the Butters camera out here. There we go. Okay. Okay, who should we open next? Let's go with the Warrior. Let's go with Stan. Okay, Cartman. Butters can hang that down there. Oh, there we go. Nice box opening there. Here's Stan's weapon. His little wooden sword here. There we go. What's up with that? Kenny and Cartman did not have any tape on the sides. Okay, so there's Stan. If I can get it to focus there. Well, he has his helmet and cape and his cool little Stick of Truth outfit there. There we go. There we are. All right, pretty cool. Okay. And now the last one. Oops. They're also durable, so that's nice. The next one, last one, we're going to have Kyle. The High Jew Elf. And, oh, we have tape again and a golf club. So, get tape off there. Alright, so there is Kyle with his crown. He has some nice detailing on the back. Okay, let me get out his golf club. These also stand really nicely on their own. So you don't need any sort of stand or anything to kind of get them stabilized. There we go. Snaps right in. Okay. So there we are. There is the entire complete set. Please subscribe to my channel, Faded Glitter Girl. See you next time. Bye.